Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is the third video of the playlist Top Interview 150 Questions of Leetcode, and this problem is remove duplicates from sorted array. So let's read out the statement. We have given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order. Remove the duplicates in place such that each unique element appears only once. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same, then return the number of unique elements in nums. So it is also a very similar kind of problem which we solved in the last video. That is that was the remove elements. Uh, but in this case, we have given a sorted array. So let's try to understand what this problem is trying to ask. So for that, I'll take an example. Okay. Fine. So suppose this is very thin. Let's increase the width a bit. Okay, fine. So suppose we have an array and it is like 1 comma 1 comma 2. Sometimes doesn't work. And 2 and comma 3 comma 3. And let's take one more 3. And this is our sorted array. So now what we have to do is, this is our sorted array. It is sorted. We can see that 1, 2, 3. It is in the increasing order or the non-decreasing order. So we have to remove the duplicates. Now we can see that 2 is present for 2 times. Let's change the color of the pen. So let's make it green. Fine. So 2 is present for 2 times and 3 is present for 3 times. Now we have to make this as something looking like, okay, I'll write the answer in the top. So it will look something like this: 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma, and here there can be anything. These are dashes I'm putting here. So there can be anything which doesn't, which is not important anymore. As you can see here in this, uh, see in this example 112. So it is returning 1 comma 2 as output, and the last place is like something underscore. There might be some value, but it is this custom judge is checking just for these two values, and we need to return the output as 2 because we have 2 here. Fine. In this case also, you can see we are returning 5 and all are unique values. We have removed all the duplicates. So to solve this, we will take, so to solve this, I will take an index currently which is present at 0. Let's say it is I, and initially it is at 0. Fine. Then I will iterate over this array from this point, and I will compare then that whether this element is not equal to this element, then only I will be doing something. So if it is equal, so in this case 1 is equal to 1, then I will ignore this one, and I will move to the next iteration. Now I have reached at 2. So this 2 is not same as 1. So in this case, what I'll do is I will update my index. I will bring my index from this point to this. I will increment my index, and at this place I will put the current value. Current value is 2. Fine. So I will update this one with 2. So I will take the eraser and remove this, and I will put 2 here at this point. Fine. Done. So now you can see this. Now my index is at this point, and now I have to check from this place. Now my iteration will be from this place. So I will match that 2 is equal to 2. I will not do anything. Then again I'll move to the next iteration. 2 is equal to 2. I will not do anything. I will move to the next iteration. 3 is not equal to 2. So in this case, I will again move my this index to this place, and I will update this value with my current value where I'm iterating. So I will put 3 at this place. So for that, I will remove this 2 from here, and I will put 2, 3 here. And pan. I will put 3 at this point. Fine. Now I will see that my in the next iteration 3 and 3 is equal to 3. So I will not do anything. And in the next iteration 3 is equal to 3. So I will not do anything. And this will, I will return this as the output. Now now my value of index is currently 2. Initially it was 0, and here it was 1, and here it was 2. Here it was 1, and at this place it was 0. Okay, so 2. But I have 3 elements. So whatever index I have left after iterating over the entire array, I will add 1 to that index. So I will add 2 plus 1, and that is equals to 3. So I will be returning my this int as 3 in this case, and 3 in this case, and this array. So unique elements are 1, 2, and 3, and rest other doesn't matter because this part will not be checked. This part will never be checked. Let's cross it. Okay, fine. So I hope you understood by this tutorial. Now let's code this up. So to do that, let's erase everything from here. Make this neat and clean. Fine. So to code this thing, I will take I will take an index that is equals to 0. Fine. Then I will run a for loop from beginning from int I equals to, let's start with the 0, and I less than nums dot length and I plus plus. So fine. So in every iteration, I will check if my current element, that is nums of I, is not equals to nums of index. So when it is not equals to this, then what I'll do, I will increment my index first, and then I will put at this place nums of index equals nums of y. That is the current element. So this is the entire code. And in the end, I will return index plus 1, as I told you during the dry run. So this is the entire code. Let's try to run this. And it has got accepted. Let's submit this. And it has got accepted. Fine. So now what is the time and space complexity for this problem? So we can see uh, we are iterating over this array, entire array once. So the time complexity is big O of n, and we are not using any extra space. We are doing this change in place. So our space complexity is big O of 1. That's it about this problem. So now if you like this video, do share with your friends and subscribe to this channel and put down your comments, your remarks. Those are very valuable, right? And keep learning, keep growing. Uh, Till then, I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye-bye.